Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Michael Honor, as you all know, and today I'll be giving a focus of the next direction of euro dollar. Euro USD is like one of my favorite pairs, right? So I'll be giving you guys a thesis of where euro dollar could be headed next, maybe 5 days move or next 2 weeks move, or how we could just end the month for euro dollar, right? So first off, what could we understand in euro dollar? We could just see it's so obvious in the daily time frame that we've been trending, right? We've been trending after this fall off of euro dollar, then we started trending up, right? We've been in an uptrend, but for the records, we have euro dollar to be generally bearish downtrend. So what we should be looking at now is, you see how euro dollar had broken above all this region here, created a high. This is a higher low, then it has taken out this high, if you notice. So this high it has taken out, we should be looking for the next region that euro dollar will get to before we could see nice pullbacks in the market, pullbacks that could last a lot, like for a while, pullback that could last for a while, right? So now before that, I will just try and get the last place USD could get to before that drop could be 1.12. Let's just put it as 1.12 region. Yes, around 1.12 region, right? So now this on the weekly, we can see the price has been trending up, so we are seeing on a very nice uptrend, right? So if you don't understand what an uptrend is, it's just simply creating higher highs and higher lows, right? So price created this high, created this low, okay, created this low again, created this low, created this high, created this low, and created this high, right? We should be expecting price towards drive up. We should be expecting price to drive up. So this is just the market structure we can see in the higher time frame. So if we move now to the daily time frame and 4-hour time frame, I get the final details of this. The long position I took from here to this region was as a result of understanding this kind of market structure, right? But right now, where are we sitting now? We are sitting currently at an indecisive price. Price is just somewhere, it doesn't even know where to go to. But I guess I believe the price is waiting for a pump back to 1.12 region, right? That's like probably possibly like a 200 pips somewhere, 200 pips move from where we are currently. So even if we don't get the 200 pips move, we could possibly get at least 150 pips move from the whole move, right? So notice something. We created a high here. Mark out this high. Created a low here. Created a low here, right? We created this low here, right? We mark out that low. You can just write this as my daily so that I don't get confused. Maybe this daily, mark this as my daily, right? So I bring up my most powerful tool, my VWAP, then I plot it from the recent lower low that price created before it pumped to the upside. So you can see what has the price been doing from this low. Okay, let me put it to the bearish candle because that was where the low was. From this low, we can see that price just moved above that VWAP. Let me just zoom this thing, let me zoom it up for you. Price moved above the VWAP, tested the VWAP, created a high, came again, and we are sitting on the mid band of the VWAP, right? This is a confirmation that price stepping back to this region, we could see the valid move to the upside. Right now, that VWAP is giving me a confidence already about the direction. So money could be pumped in from this region, right? So what should we be looking at now? I'm gonna plot out this first band here. This is my first demand band here. So I already have the region I'm looking at for, right? VWAP has already given me confidence to that area, right? So I take out this VWAP, I put my come back to my 4-hour time frame, and on my 4-hour time frame, what should I be looking at now? On my 4-hour time frame, I should basically be looking at price action, bullish price action around this region, right? Possibly like an engulfing, 1 hour engulfing, 4 hour engulfing, then price trading back to that region. But first, before I could confirm this move, today's candle has to close in some manner like this, in some way like this, a weak into the upside or bullish. Any of those two will be very valid. But if price closes this way, it gives me the next confirmation. Maybe the next day we could just see price trying to fill up this week, then we have our entries from there, right? So moving to the 4 hour time frame, any bullish price action that we could see, price has not yet created nice entry opportunities yet, but we are in a region where we could bounce off from. So here could be something like this region to this region, right? Yes, to this region, right? So that is what is backing up my entry career and my thesis for 1.12 region on EURUSD. I'll keep updating the guys possibly on my Discord community. I was updating the guys on my Discord community about this position, because that's where I'm going to tell them when I'm entering and the future of the position, right? So if you've not joined the community, you can join right now. So that's my long-term bias on what EURUSD before it fall off. So 1.2 region is a region in EURUSD we should see in coming weeks, because that is the foremost target for EURUSD, right? So yeah, that's just it. That's where we're seeing EURUSD head to from this region here to 1.20 region. So guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next.